So over here you can see that I have this particular video right here, and on top of it there is a text layer. So now let's see how we can work around with blend mode, which is a part of the opacity effect. So right now you can see that this is the text that you have, and you cannot see through the text behind right here. So now what you can do is you can go around over here onto the text right here, and then you can go around under let's say FX right here. Once you go around under FX while you're selecting the text right here, you can see that opacity is an option over here. So once I go around, you can see that blend mode is an option right here, just like this. You can go around and choose darken right here, and what happens is that it makes the white part of the text transparent, and you can see that the other parts are opaque right here. The darker parts are visible right here. Similarly, you can go around and use multiply, which does a similar thing right here. So it makes the bright part transparent in different ways, and it multiplies it out as if it is in ink, and it darkens things out right here. Similarly, there's lighten, which makes the black part more transparent and the light parts more opaque, as you can see right here. You can go around and utilize different effects right here, like color doors, like linear doors, and so forth right here, as you like, just like this as well, for a similar effect. You can go around onto overlay right here, just like this, and get different type of effects, as you can see right here in the blend mode option. And after that, you can see that you can also work around with difference right here, which actually adds in a color difference over here. And there's hue right here, as you can see. There's saturation, as you can see right here. There's color, as you can see, and so forth right here, just like this. And you can see it through from the background, as you can see right here. And this is one of the things that you can do with opacity option right here inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.